Stone Crusher Spin Master Monster Jam Series 10. Stone Crusher is in Arena Favorites, and the other trucks in this case is Grave Digger, Soldier Fortune, Monster Mott Poodle, El Toro Loco, Scooby-Doo, Queen Bee, Brodozer, and Grave Digger. So let's go ahead and unbox Stone Crusher. And we get a red wristband. It just has MonsterJam.com, the Monster Jam logo. Go on here to see what the poster is. And it looks like Scooby-Doo. Yes, it is. A nice picture of the Monster Jam truck of Scooby-Doo. Alright, let's take a look at Stone Crusher. I was never able to get him in the Hot Wheels version, but I'm glad that I was able to pick it up in the Spin Masters version. A lot going on with the red beadlock rims, and then with the design or the wrap on the truck. Very cool. It has a caveman going crazy on the side. Stone Crusher, very cool. Let's see if I can bring it up anymore. There's the Monster Jam logo there on the back of the side. And then there we have the caveman, the name of the truck going on the side. Very cool. Here's on the front. Look at that wrap with the lights and the girl in the front. Caveman on the hood. And then the other side of Stone Crusher. Then on the back has the name of the truck on the back on tailgate. And there's up top on the hood, or the roof, sorry. And then, so very nicely done. I really like it. Thank you for tuning in.